Hey everyone, let's talk about a few applications that help you earn passive income. And yeah, you can just go ahead and get started with them immediately without any experience. They're super easy, they use your internet bandwidth to earn you an extra buck. So let's just get started. The first application I'm going to talk about is basically Honeygain. Honeygain uses your additional internet bandwidth to basically retract information for SEO usage, which pays for you a very good amount. They have a flat rate, and once you get up to $20, you can withdraw as well. I've made a video of Honeygain. It's a very good platform, and it can earn you a decent amount. Even if it's not a lot, you can stack them according to the devices that you have on board. The next application we're going to talk about is the Passive app. The Passive app is a straightforward internet sharing application. Now, by that, it means it's a set and forget income. The Windows dashboard is responsive and the update regular. How it works again, you just share your traffic. When you share your traffic, you will earn money for that particular traffic. The next thing that we have in store is basically the crypto tab. Now this one's a little different. You will basically browse the internet like normal and mine Bitcoin in the background. Now it won't be too significant, and it may take a lot of time, but again, you're mining Bitcoin. You gotta understand that's a big opportunity in itself. So this is as passive as income apps can get. And these are basically the most, I'd say in my opinion, potent applications right now that seem to work for passive income. You should definitely try them all out. You don't really have to choose between all of them. You can just go ahead and try them all out. One app I did forget was EarnApp. I think so. EarnApp basically also works the same way as Honeygain, where it uses your internet bandwidth and gives you money for it. And you can try all of these applications by going to their websites and downloading their apps. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you make a decent passive buck. Thank you for watching.